Hi. So we're going to be working on our definitions for our four vocabulary words this week. If your paper does not look like this, then you can refer to the other video. So word definitions. First, we're going to cut out our four vocabulary words down here. Hospital workers, healthy, hospital, and think. And then we're going to move them and copy and paste them to the correct spots. So let's look at the first one, hospital workers. Oh no, sorry, let's look at the definitions first. The first definition says, a place where people go to be healed when they are sick or hurt. So if you need help, look on your vocabulary sheet, the one with the big pictures and icons. They'll tell you the definitions. So which word is a place where people go to be healed when they are sick or hurt? Hospital workers, healthy, hospital, or think? The only one that is a place is hospital. Hospital is a place where you go if you're not feeling well or if you get hurt. Next one says, free from injury or disease. Free from injury or disease. So which one is that? Hospital workers, healthy, or think? Healthy. If you are feeling healthy, that means you're not in any pain, you didn't break a bone, or something's not feeling a little off. And that means you don't have a disease. You're not sick from something, coughing, sneezes, headaches, all those things. Next word, or next definition, to express gratitude. Gratitude. So to be grateful for something, appreciative. Would that be hospital workers or think? Think. So to express gratitude, you want to thank somebody for doing something nice, for helping you in some way. People are thanking hospital workers because they're keeping us healthy. Now, last one is people who work in hospitals. And so this would be our last option, which is hospital workers. People who work in hospitals, hospital workers include doctors, nurses, therapists, janitors, people who keep the hospital clean, people who work in the office, the front desk to make sure everything's checked in, everyone's where they're supposed to be, security guards, all those people work in hospitals.